This leave-in treatment is going to condition, strengthen, prevent breakage and split ends. It is also going to moisturize your hair and make your hair very easy to manage. Are you looking to grow your hair? Are you looking to grow healthy hair? Well, keep watching. Hi family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you all for tuning in. If you are new here, welcome. In today's video, I will be showing you how to make a potent hair treatment that will grow, strengthen, prevent breakage and split ends, and it is also going to condition, moisturize, and make your hair very easy to manage. I will be using this hair treatment as a leave-in treatment. It can also be used as a pre-poo, and you can use this while having on a protective style such as your braids, cornrows, things of that nature. So family, let's get right into it. I have all of my herbs here. Herbs are the best, y'all. I love herbs. I have my cloves, rosemary, peppermint leaves, and my lavender. I'm going to be using 2 tablespoons of each herbs and 1 aloe vera leaf. Alright family, now that I have my herbs in the cup, it is time to add in the hot water. After adding in the hot water, I'm going to allow this to sit for 3 hours. If you do not have time, you can let this sit for 30 minutes to an hour. However, it is best to let this sit for a longer period. So while this is sitting, I'm going to move on to my aloe vera. I did not see the need to show you guys how to prep your aloe vera or how to extract the gel from the aloe vera because I have done this here so many times. So yeah, I didn't see the need to waste you guys time to show you all of that. If you want to know how to do that, I'm going to leave the link in the description box below that you can check out. Alright y'all, so the gel is ready. It is time to add in the tea. I'm going to be using my strainer to do so. I want to say this about the aloe vera gel. That is not the only way to extract the gel. You can blend the aloe vera leaf. However, the consistency is not going to be the same. So it's time to add in the oil. I made this very powerful herbal oil last week. I'm going to leave the link in the description box below that you can check out. Yeah, see how you can make your very own herbal oil using some very powerful herbs. All right family, so I'm adding in about a tablespoon of the herbal oil, mixing my treatment, and I'm going to transfer it into my applicators bottle. If you are loving this video so far, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Also comment, let me know which part of the video that you really like, and have you used these herbs here before. Just let me know, okay? Commenting helps the channel, family. It helps. So comment, like, and also share the video to a friend that you think might benefit from this video. And if you want to become a member of this family, go ahead and smash that subscribe button to join this amazing team. It is absolutely free. It's application time, family, and look how my fingers are gliding right through my daughter's hair. Yo, I am a happy mom. I am not getting the crying or the funny faces to let me know that it hurts. So you can use this as a detangler. You can use this as a leave-in treatment. We are going to be using this as a leave-in treatment, as I said earlier. You can also use this as a pre-poo. I also said that this is going to detangle the hair. If you have kids that are very tender headed and you want their hair to grow, use this, family. Use this on your kids' hair. This is going to grow the hair, and also on your hair. If you have hair loss issues, if you have breakage issues, just things of that nature, use this treatment to tackle that. All right, family, and be consistent. I always push consistency because that is how you are going to get results. Don't just use it one time and expect a miracle. Use this consistently, family. I have always used aloe vera here, and you can see how my daughter's hair is very thick. Even my other daughter has a very thick hair. If you want to grow thick hair, you have to be consistent with your hair regimen. Aloe vera has plentiful supply of vitamins and minerals and other ingredients that are linked to hair growth. Vitamins such as vitamin A, C, and E are all great for your hair. Aloe vera also will strengthen weak hair follicles. It reduces scalp inflammation. It restores the pH balance on your scalp. It also eliminates microbial infection. If you are having issues with your hair, family, use aloe vera consistently, and trust me, y'all, you are going to see results. I have my rosemary in my treatment here today. I love rosemary as well. Rosemary is very powerful when it comes to hair growth. Studies have shown that rosemary is very effective for regrowing your hair. Rosemary increases blood flow to your hair follicles, which increases the delivery of oxygen and nutrients, promoting hair growth. It controls dandruff, and it also boosts the shine of your hair. It has so many great benefits for your hair. I have used rosemary on my channel as well. Using these natural ingredients consistently will help your hair a lot, family. There's cloves. I have black seed fenugreek in my herbal oil. As promised, I'm going to leave the link in the description box below for you to check out to see how to make your very own herbal oil using these powerful natural ingredients. All right, family, so that's the end of today's video. Thank you all for stopping by today. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share. Also join the family by smashing that subscribe button. I wish you all a very blessed weekend, and I'll see you all in the next one. Love you guys. Bye.